Welcome to the best picks. The best chart paper is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have, whether you're a student, artist, or professional. It provides a structured surface for everything from detailed graphs and technical drawings to creative projects and note-taking. In this video, we'll explore the top chart papers with lines, helping you find the perfect one to meet your needs and elevate your work. Number 5. School Smart Chart Tablet 24 by 32 inches. This chart tablet is designed to help with reinforcement and practice. It's perfect for class lessons and group discussions. The ruled lines on the white pages make it easy to write on. The Easel paper pad provides a sturdy writing surface. It's also a convenient place to take notes during presentations. You'll find it very useful. This chart paper serves as a great teacher tool. It's ideal for modeling letter formation and writing skills. It will help students learn. The flip chart paper pad also makes an excellent resource for at-home learning environments. It's a great tool for kids to use at home. They will love it. The pages are white with ruled lines. This makes it easy to write and organize your thoughts. It's a great tool for all kinds of writing. What we like. This chart tablet is designed with ruled lines, which is perfect for practicing writing skills. If you are a teacher looking for a tool to model letter formation and writing, this is a great choice. It's also ideal for at-home learning, making it a versatile option for various educational needs. What people say. This is a wonderful resource I use in my classroom. Excellent for using as anchor charts. Perfect for my classroom. Helps them be able to see what we are discussing that day. It is very stiff and it is easy to use. The paper is not too thick, but that makes it easier to navigate for classroom use. This tablet held up well after being dragged around from location to location. Others I have used fell apart and pages fell out. This one held up great. Number 4. Post-it Super Sticky Easel Pad 561. This easel pad sticks securely and holds up to twice as long. It can be repositioned without damaging surfaces. Unlike standard flip chart paper, it needs no tape or tacks. The large, yellow, lined paper resists marker bleed-through. This helps keep your great ideas on the page and not on what's underneath. It's perfect for training, teaching, brainstorming, planning, project management, and meetings. Use it to keep track of your agenda and ideas. Whether working or learning remotely, the Post-it app is the perfect way to capture and share ideas. You can keep track of assignments or create colorful calendars. Share across multiple platforms. Each pad contains 30 sheets of 25 inches x 30 inches paper. The pack includes 2 pads, providing plenty of space for all your needs. What we like. This easel pad sticks securely and holds up to 2x longer, eliminating the need for tape or tacks. If you're looking for a solution for brainstorming sessions or project management, this is the one. The ink bleed-through resistant paper ensures your ideas stay on the page, making it perfect for any presentation. What people say. They securely stick to the wall and at the back of the doors. The paper does not bleed through when you are writing on the wall or while still attached to the pad. The lines provide 1 inch between each line, which is more than enough space to write largely so people can read at a distance. The adhesion works so well that I am able to flip the paper over and use the other side before discarding. They are extremely sticky and hold up to multiple moves around the room without losing their ability to stay attached to the wall. Number 3. Post-it 566 PRL Easel Pad, white, ruled, 2-pack. This Post-it easel pad is designed for easy portability. It rolls up for convenient carrying and comes with a built-in handle. This makes it perfect for on-the-go presentations and lessons. Forget about tape or tacks. The easel pad includes command strips for easy mounting. It sticks and resticks to most surfaces without causing any damage, making setup a breeze. The premium paper resists marker bleed-through, ensuring your writing stays clear and visible. This feature makes it ideal for teaching and brainstorming sessions. This easel pad is great for teaching elementary school students. The ruled lines are perfect for practicing writing and learning new vocabulary words. It's a fun and interactive way to learn. The pad sticks with super sticking power and can be repositioned easily. You can move it around without leaving any residue or damaging the surface. It's a versatile tool for any classroom or office. Enhance your presentations by using this easel pad with post-it super sticky notes. This combination adds color and interactivity to make learning and presentations more engaging. What we like. This easel pad is designed for easy portability and can be hung with command strips. If you are teaching elementary school students, this is perfect for you. It sticks and resticks with super sticking power, making it ideal for interactive learning. What people say. It's so helpful for my elementary kids to see proper letter formation with the writing paper same as I make them write on, so their handwriting will hopefully eventually be legible. It comes with 2 pads and command strips for hanging. The paper is not see-through, I use black marker, and the pages are very sticky. This is a versatile notepad. It is perfect if you have space to hang it up. It comes with the hanging strips. Number 2. Post-it Tabletop Easel Pad, MMM563PRL. This is the Post-it Tabletop Easel Pad. It's designed for easy tabletop use, making it perfect for any writing task. It's a convenient and portable solution for your creative needs. It easily converts to an easel stand, providing a stable and comfortable writing surface. This feature makes it ideal for presentations, brainstorming sessions, or simply jotting down notes. The pad resists marker bleed-through, ensuring your writing stays clear and legible. You can use various markers without worrying about the ink seeping through the pages. It's perfect for new writers, with primary lines to guide their writing. The lines help with letter formation and spacing, making it easier for beginners to practice. You can reposition the pad again and again without damaging the surface. This allows you to move it around as needed without leaving any marks or residue. What we like. This tabletop easel pad converts to an easel stand for tabletop use. If you have new writers, this is perfect for them. It resists marker bleed-through and can be repositioned again and again with no surface damage. What people say. The paper is a good weight and the lines are clear. It is exactly what I needed for my project. The lines are a good width and the paper is easy to write on. Number 1. Mr. Pen Graph Paper, 22 sheets, 17x11. This pack comes with 22 sheets, providing plenty for multiple projects or extended use. The unbound format makes it easy to take out sheets and use them anywhere. The paper is made to last, with a surface that won't let ink bleed through. It's smooth, making it perfect for detailed drawings with pencils, ink, and markers. With dimensions of 17 by 11 inches, it fits easily into most drawing boards and portfolios. This size is great for drafting, sketching, or any large-scale projects, giving you lots of room to work. Each page has a grid of 4 squares per inch, perfect for engineering, architecture, or any task needing accuracy. The clear grid helps you keep everything symmetrical and precise. It's great for students, architects, engineers, artists, and anyone needing precision. You can use it for math graphs, sketches, designs, charts, or just to organize your ideas visually. What we like. This graph paper provides ample quantity for several projects. If you are an architect or engineer requiring precision, this is the perfect choice. Its precise grid layout assists in maintaining symmetry and accuracy, making it ideal for detailed work. What people say. I needed a kind of grid paper, but not graph paper with the small squares. I got this graph paper to aid in drawing plans for personal carpentry projects. The print is precise and bold, making it easier for aging eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.